Active retinitis due to CMV infection results in hemorrhages and areas of necrosis. The red blotches are signs of hemorrhage, while the fluffy white lesions are indicative of necrosis. This appearance has been likened to cottage cheese or scrambled eggs with ketchup. I hope you found this lecture to be helpful and worth your time. Please feel free and very welcome to leave a comment or suggestion below. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe and check out some of the other videos in this channel.